Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text inflate and deflate in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make text inflate and deflate. Go to the Insert menu. Then select the word art option and choose any word art. Then write anything on this word art. Then click OK. Now we want to make this text inflate. Go to the word art menu. Select the change shape option and select the inflate option. Then resize the text. Now we can see we make text inflate very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.